Hey everyone, and welcome to day 36 of our Command 66 Day Challenge. Today, we are going to build on what we did yesterday with local insights, and this time we're going to use Kelle on our phones to add an insight. So if you guys could open up the Kelle app on your phone, and when you are on your home screen here, we'll go from there. So in the center of your screen, you'll see local insights for nearby. And if you wanted to view all of the insights on a map, you can click View on Map in the bottom right corner. And in the top right corner, you've got a plus sign in that box. So let's click on that. And this is how we can add an insight on Kelle. Now, currently, if you are adding an insight in Kelle, you need to actually be at the place. So whether you're in the parking lot or inside the building, in a waiting room or anything like that, right now you have to actually be there. You can't tell Kelle what the address of the place is. Just like we could do in Command yesterday, we can add an insight from sitting in our office of multiple places around town. So keep that in mind. So since I am at the office, I am not actually going to save an insight in here because we have already had a couple agents at our office as an insight. So if you guys are out somewhere today or this week that you want to add, grab Kelle and do this in just a couple of minutes while you're sitting in your car. So you'll notice on the map, it's got the little home icon, and that is showing our location. If I pull this screen up, I could do place or area, just like I could do in Command, and I've got categories. So I'm just going to select ones for an example here, but again, I'm not going to save one, so since I don't want to add the offices one again. But here are all the categories that you can choose from. So there are tons of options to go through. We're just in the bees right now, so you can select them, and I think it might even actually let you select multiples. Like I just selected breakfast, so let's maybe, I saw bagels up here, so let's select that as well and hit done. So yeah, you can add multiple categories to a place. So a lot of times something might meet a bunch of different standards. Here you will add the title of your insight. Again, I'm just putting test right now because I'm not actually saving this, but you might put the name of the restaurant there, and then in your descriptions, just a little description of the place, whether it's a bike path, whether it's a place to eat, whether it's a doctor's office, a spa, anything like that. Just give a little description of it here and make it something that can provide value to the clients or even to other agents looking in our area. And then your photo icon here, you can click on that and it will allow you to either take a photo from here, so it'll open up your camera, or you can choose from library. So you can upload one you've already done. And then you will hit save at the top right, and that is going to save your insight in Kelle. So that is all for day 36 of our challenge. Thanks for watching.